Sherry baby, Sherry, Sherry baby, Sherry baby, Sherry baby, Sherry. Can you come out tonight? Come out tonight, Sherry baby, Sherry baby, Sherry. Can you come out tonight? Why don't you come out to my twist party? Come out where the bright moon shines. Come out, we'll dance the night away. I'm gonna make you mine, Sherry, Sherry baby, Sherry. Can you come out tonight? Come out tonight. Come out tonight. You better make your mind. Sherry baby, tell her everything is alright. Why don't you come out with your red dress on? Come out, you look so fine. Come out, move it nice and easy. Girl, you make me lose my mind. Oh, Sherry baby, Sherry. Can you come out tonight? Come out tonight. Come out tonight. Come out tonight. Well, hi there, pluckers. Ivor Sawfingers back with you again with a bit of fun for you. Just a light-hearted, don't take this one too seriously job, okay? It's an old classic song from the Four Seasons, of course, called Sherry, okay? So, from about 1962, I think this was, okay? So, just a bit of light-hearted fun, okay? Please excuse the singing, I haven't got the tight trousers with me, okay? So, standard tuning, okay? No capos, doing it in the original key of C that we recorded in, okay? Quite a simple song, really, apart from the singing. Well then, boys and girls, let me hopefully try and break this down for you. It's a fairly simple song, okay? Starting off with the intro. Now I come up with this intro which for a single acoustic which sounds something I think like the original, okay? And now what I was doing was this. And then into the song, okay? So it's just 2 times around this little riff, okay? So I'm starting off with a basic C chord, and I'm strumming the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings, okay? Just once, then there's a pause, and then you do it again, same strings, 4, 3, 2. Okay? Then we go up to the 5th, 4th and 3rd. So it's okay? Bit of a pause, and then we hit that 4th, 3rd and 2nd again. So it's okay? Then we change to this chord, it's an F6. It's basically an F chord, simple F chord, straightforward, but you add your pinky to the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, the B string, okay? And this time we're playing the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings again, okay? So now we've got that, C, then we play this F6, pause, then we hit that again, the 4, 3 and 2 on the F6, so now you've got okay, then we move this whole F6 shape up 2 frets, So now we've got a G6. So it's basically an F-shaped chord on the 3rd fret, first 4 strings. But you put your pinky on the 5th fret of the 2nd string, the B string. That's a G6. It's basically the same chord as that, but up 2 frets. Okay, and again we're playing the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings. Okay, so now we've got this. And then we do 2 fairly quick ones on that. 4, 3 and 2 on that G6. So it's and we go back to the F6 and do 2 on that. Okay, so now we've got and we repeat. Okay, so once again I'll do it very slowly, right? Okay, so you do that whole lot twice, and then we're into the main song, and it comes in with Sherry, Sherry baby. And this is very simple. It just goes round and round on C, A minor, D minor, and a G. I tend to play the G like an F shape, like that, but with my standard F shape on the 3rd fret, but this finger, 3rd finger goes up to the 5th fret of the 5th string, the A string, and I put my pinky on the 5th fret of the 4th string, and I do 5 downwards. Don't play the bottom E, but you could use a bar chord if you wanted to. That shape is fine. The 4-fingered F shape like I'm playing, or you could play a simple F, 4 downwards, or you could play an open G, whichever, that way or that way, whichever, okay? C, A minor, D minor and G, whichever G you're happy with, okay? So it's Sherry, Sherry baby, Sherry, Sherry baby, and you just keep doing that sequence, okay? Sherry baby, Sherry baby, Sherry, can you come out tonight? Come out tonight, Sherry baby, Sherry baby, Sherry, can you come out tonight? Okay, now the break at the end of the verse, we go from the C, A minor, won't you come out to C, E flat, F, C. And the easiest way of playing that is just to play the D shape. So you imagine a D chord, move it up 1 fret to this, just play the top 3 strings, 3, 2, 1, and then play an F chord, just move the D shape up 2 frets. So it's on the 5th fret of the 3rd and top E string, and the 6th fret on the 2nd string. Just the top 3 strings. So just move there from that E flat on the 3rd fret of the 3rd and top E string, 4th fret on the 2nd string, and then move it up 2 frets and back to the C, stop. So it's like, won't you sit there tonight, Sherry baby. This is it. Sherry, won't you come out tonight? Bum, bum, bum. Right? Then there's a little bass run that's with the bass, the very bass voice, okay? Right, so it goes, why don't you? And you can go along with that. 3rd fret on the 5th string, open D string, and the 1st fret on the D string, the 4th string. So, why don't you Then we're into an E7, okay? Come out, that's an E chord without the third finger, right? Why don't you come out to my twist party? To an A7, come out, that's second on the fourth, second on the second, 5 downwards, come out with a bright eyes. D7, everybody should know that, come out, and then to a G7, simple G7 is fine. I'm gonna make you, and then hammer the G7, or you could play a G7 bar chord instead of the simple G7. You could play a G bar chord, 3rd fret, major shape, pinky off, G7. And then we're back into another verse, just the same as verse 1, and another chorus. Different words, just the same sort of setup as the first chorus, where it goes into the E7 and the A7, etc. Okay, and then it goes into a partial verse stroke, half a verse sort of thing, where it goes just the same as usual, C, A minor, D minor and G, and then it just fades out on come out tonight sort of thing, okay, as you saw in my playthrough hopefully. Well, I hope that helps you play that quite simple song, and bit of a laugh. Don't take it too seriously. Bye for now.